Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to get rid of stretch marks very fast using aspirin. Get rid of stretch marks. For this we will needs aspirin, lemon, olive oil. Take 3 aspirin and crush them. Add some water to make paste. Take a half of lemon and rubbing the strech marks area. Rubbing the affected area about 3 minutes. After rubbing with lemon, wash with water. After washing, I am going to apply aspitin solution on the affected part of stretch marks. Wait for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, massage the area, then wash with water. After washing, you can apply olive oil on the affected area. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel.